Shocking celebrity weight loss transformations. If you are looking for shocking celebrity weight loss transformations, then look no further than Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey has always been one of the most popular and well-known television personalities in America. With her weight loss program, she has taken her weight issue to a whole new level and even gained fans across the world. OPH is an acronym for the Oprah Winfrey Network. This network is an all-out push to lose weight. They have literally created a new network of people who are willing to lose weight to help her with her plan. The OPH diet is not one of the many diets that are out there. It is simply an easy and healthy way to lose weight fast with all the right eating and exercise techniques. The OPH plan will teach you how to eat healthy food and cut out all the bad stuff in your life that makes you fat and not healthy. You can lose up to 20 pounds in a week by following the OPH plan. This is one of the most amazing celebrity weight loss transformation that I have ever seen. Oprah claims that people are always looking for ways to be thinner, and with this product they are able to give them the attention and support they need when they want to be thinner. They are so excited and supportive of this plan that they will tell anyone who listens about how good it is. Oprah even goes as far as saying that this diet is the best diet on earth. She is completely in love with this product and has done everything in her power to make sure that her product is perfect. She does not want to disappoint anyone who wants to lose weight fast with this plan. She does not even want them to be disappointed with the results. There are some people that are very skeptical of OPH because of all the talk from Oprah Winfrey about how this product works. They believe that it just wants to take over the market and become the biggest seller in America and the best-selling diet in America. This is not true. The OPH plan is not going to take over the market because of Oprah Winfrey's marketing genius. She is a great celebrity, but she does not know what she is talking about when it comes to this product. There are no quick fixes in this product. It is a long-term weight loss plan. There are people that are scared to try the OPH because of all the controversy surrounding this product. The controversy is completely unfounded. The media will put a lot of negativity on any product that Oprah recommends. Oprah was right in this statement because if it is all negative, then no one will buy it. Oprah's support for this weight loss product has been nothing short of amazing. She has made it very clear that she thinks it is the best in the industry and that it will help people lose weight and keep it off. Oprah's support for the OPH has been nothing short of phenomenal. The only person that needs to know that she loves this plan is Oprah herself. Oprah Winfrey has used this product in all the interviews she has done about this program. In fact, in almost every one of the interviews, she mentions it. People are looking for the OPH for many different reasons. They want to know how to get in shape faster, lose weight quickly, or just to improve their appearance. Oprah has made it very clear that she believes in this product, and if you know how to lose weight quickly, then this is the answer. Celebrity diets that actually work. One of the most popular and most controversial subjects in the world of weight loss is whether or not celebrity diets actually work. If you are thinking of trying one of these diets, then this article will be able to help you understand how they work and whether or not they are right for you. The first thing you need to know about these diets is that they are actually very similar to other diets that you might have tried in the past. They all basically have some basic concepts such as eating fewer calories than your body needs. Most of the time, this requires that you change what you eat to avoid gaining weight. Some of the more specific celebrity diets, however, are much more extreme. For example, some of the fad diets like Atkins have gotten so extreme that they are considered dangerous by many medical professionals. Some celebrities have used these diets for years and say that they worked, but you will never really know unless you try them for yourself. If you want to try them out, then you can always just look at the people who have used them in the past. The best way to find out if they really work is to see how they have done on one of the more extreme ones. In a sense, it is a matter of trial and error when it comes to trying any diet, because some diets actually do not work well for everyone. It may take some time, but with a little bit of patience and persistence, you should be able to find one that actually works. While there are plenty of celebrity diets that actually work, you need to make sure that you do your research before going ahead and trying one of them. You never want to try something that you are not sure about because it could actually hurt your health and cause you a lot of trouble in the long run. There are plenty of weight loss plans out there, so you need to make sure that you are doing your research before you start using any one particular program. By doing this, you will know exactly what it is you are dealing with and what it takes to stick to it in the long run. The first thing you should do is to make sure that you know exactly what you need to eat. While this seems like an obvious step, some people never think to check their calorie intake until they are in trouble with their weight. Make sure you actually do your research before trying a diet to make sure that it is something that will benefit your goals and help you get to where you want to go.